Hello, welcome viewers on Crypto with News Crypto. FOMC community anticipations keeps Bitcoin BTC price flat above $23,000. In this news, while sharing an important US topic, this is very exciting news. Bitcoin BTC fails to sustain is recently reignited another bond movement ahead of the monthly close on Tuesday. The modest retracements came against a accumulating positive sentiment around the assets since the start of the year. Still, the flagship cryptocurrency sells January fashion with 39.44% during the same period. The welcomed green monthly came as early following a series of negative monthly closes in November and December. Crypto market gives away weekend gains. BTC price slipped below $23,000 coming off the weekend, but the flagship crypto has reclaimed and tried preserving active trading around the price mark. The leading crypto assets has continued trading steadily above this range on Wednesday, with trader and investor alike focused on the Federal Open Market Committee decisions anticipated later this afternoon. The crypto market is expected to embrace more volatile, albeit short-term actions driven by the reactions to the news from the US Federal Reserve. For the most part, investors worry about a return and on the bear market, specifically market traders are watching the outcome of FOMC, which could be a source of volatility for many reasons. Top among them, marketplace look forward to hints that might drop about when the Fed's lasting players look forward to hints that might drop about when the Fed's lasting strengths is to hiking interest while rates fall and or even out. GDP numbers with the forecast how economic growth slowed down leading up to this week. Market metrics generally look favorably on Bitcoin. Real gross domestic product (GDP) number of Q4 beat expectations even though economic growth slowed and increased at a 2.9% annualized rate rather than anticipated 2.6%, but lower than Q3's 3.2%. Various trades meeting is expected to be fairly uneventful, but the comments diverged to the press by Jerome Powell afterward called trigger some reactions in the market. The general expectation is that the Fed will hike interest rates by 25 quarter basis points in today, meeting the quarter BPS increase follow the 50 basis point increase in December. The expected deceleration in the size of the hikes would be the smallest increase since March last year, but that does by no measures mean the market's reactions in any defined probability. The tone of the Fed's messaging is also worth watching as strategists contend that the Federal Reserve will seek to keep up with its efforts against inflation. Some expect that Chairman Jerome Powell remarks might show on inflations for just a further 25 or 50 basis points for the rest of the year, notably a decision in line with the Fed sticking to an accuracy strength will likely result in spurs market watch. Following the price discernment across the board, Bitcoin and some altcoins have consolidated near this previously established zones. Crypto market participation have remained calm for the most part in the face of the prevailing erosions of gains. The 24-hour chart shows Bitcoin has reclaimed $23,000 but are repeated failures to maintain ground above this mark called Mount Pressure on Agar. Traders to walk many profits pockets by the Fed chair comments is this case seller. Call look at the 23,000 uh, 23,500 dollars resistance for reference. Bitcoin trader multiplier narratives divided and on-chain data suggests the market is picking up and there is more room for movement on Ether side as the market is yet to other hit. While the biggest concern around altcoin trader has been the debates on profits taking ahead in the Bitcoin and other founder, whether a bullish cycle is emerging or that's yours in but merely part of a bull drop. For comparisons to Wall Street, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite indicates trade 6% and 11% monthly returns in January. The ARK Innovations ETF ARK, on the other hand, saw its best month in history with a roughly 30% increase across the 31-day period. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Crypto Wait sees you in the next video. Thank you.